Hey traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you another important trading strategy which I just worked out. And this is a very straightforward and simple strategy which you can utilize. The strategy is as simple as anything you can think of. Just to give you a little bit brief on this, I have on my chart, I'm using a moving average and SuperTrend. So from here, so in this strategy, I'll be using 200 moving average. The main function of the 200 moving average is to enable me understand the direction of the market. So what I'm doing is, when the price is below the 200 moving average, I will focus only on shorting the market, which is selling the market in that instance. And when the price or the candles are forming above the moving average, I consider that to be an uptrend, because the 200-day moving average is what I use for my directional buyers. So as a trader, you should always have a direction where the market is going, because what makes so much a lot of people to lose money in the market is because they don't know the direction of the market and they don't really have clue what to do. So what they do is, wherever they see a signal from the indicator, they just jump into the market. So you cannot be shorting the market when the market is really in an uptrend, because shorting the market in an uptrend direction is a recipe for disaster, because you are going to lose so much money from the market. The market might seem to be like it's moving in your direction, but before you know what is happening, the market is going to obey the major trend. So I'm using this 200-day moving average in order to filter out my direction. Once I know the direction of the market, then this is the point where I will go down to use the main indicator which provides me the signal. In this case, I'm using a SuperTrend. I'm using the default value of the SuperTrend, which is 10 and a multiplier of 3. The SuperTrend in this case will give me the signal to only sell the market, because I've already identified that the market is below the 200-day moving average, which is in a sell territory. From here, you see here, the SuperTrend give me a sell signal at this point. So you see, so what I do, once this candle close at the opening of this candle here, I will place my sell, and my stop loss is above this at the high of the SuperTrend. So I use the SuperTrend itself for my trailing stop. So the first point at which I will exit the market is once I get opposite signal. Like here, you see I have opposite signal from here, so I exit the market. Or when I get a 1-to-1, like from here to this point, I take the same down. So once I get 1-to-1, so these are the two ways I manage the trade. I trail the stop, I put my take profits 1-to-1, which is, if my stop loss is 20, my take profit will be 20. Yeah, I know some of you usually ask me, can we use some of this strategy on this channel to trade stock? You see here is a S&P 500. You can use this strategy to trade anything. You can use it to trade ETF. You can use it to trade crypto. You can use it to trade Forex. So it's adaptable to any asset class depending on what you trade. Here we have our clear indication that the price is above the moving average, which is our criteria number 1. And you have here, this is a live market. the moment this candle close, you open your buy trade. Here is your point where you place your stop loss, and your take profit is 1 to 1. So at this point, you have taken your profit in this trade. Here is another signal. At the moment this candle close, we open our buy here. Then we place our stop loss below the super trend. Our take profit is 1 to 1. So here we take our profit. Here again you have a clear signal. The moment this candle close, you open your buy trade, you place your stop loss below here, and your take profit will be 1 to 1. So here you take your profit and move ahead. Here again you have a clear signal. At this point we have our moving average, price is below it, and we get a sell signal from our super trend. We place our sell here, then we place our stop loss here, and our take profit is 1 to 1, which is at this point we take our profit. Here you have a good signal again. At the close of this candle, you open your sell trade, place your stop loss here, and your take profit is 1 to 1, which is at this point you take your profit on this trade.